Hello friends, I am Dilip Bapat, Victor Uniform number 3 Uniform Ecolima, once again with you. Right now I am showing you my Pune's Shack handheld and radio I am using here in Pune. When I used to come to Pune, these are the devices I use. I don't have any HF transceiver here in Pune because see, there is no antenna installation possible on this particular building rooftop. So see, this is my Radio DT GD 77 digital DMR radio. Very nice transceiver. I will show you the transmission. This is also Baofeng Radio DT Baofeng DMR RD5UR digital radio. This is also very sensitive and nice handheld. Just in 5 watt, my signals used to go to almost 9 kilometers distance from my Sadashivpet QTH here in Pune, goes to Aund Pune, where our VU3 FMM used to stay, and I had a QSO with him also on this particular handheld. Now this is my Jingtong. This is my Jingtong transceiver. Jingtong, a very nice transceiver. 15 watt, only analog, no digital mode. Now this is my SSB receiver, Sequence Skywave SSB, very nice radio. You can see lots of YouTube videos I already uploaded. This is my Texan PL330, very nice small little radio. This is also analog, but the digital, but then this is single side band multi-band radio, very nice radio. So these are the two radios specially I use in Pune for single side band ham community transmission monitoring purpose. So now friends, I am showing you that, see, this is the transceiver Radio DT GD77. Now I am transmitting from this. This is the frequency CQ 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 CQ. This is VU3 UEL, calling and listening. Anybody on the frequency, please come in. Only because of this very small distance you can listen echo coming from the handy, but a very nice digital transmission. See, there you will get to see on screen that private call, because I am using private call CQ 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 CQ. This is VU3 Uniform Echo Lima, calling and standing by. QRZ, QRZ. So this is the handy I was transmitting, and this is the receiving. Exactly the same when I used to transmit from this handy, you will get to see same. However, thank you for watching friends. This is also analog mode radio.
Power on.
So you can transmit on this radio on analog mode only. Something is going on frequency 143.100 UHF band. Okay friends, this is View 3 UEL, Dilip Bapat. Say 73 is from Pune. Bye bye, good day. And one more feature for this handy comes in 3 modes. You can utilize that 1.25 meter band also, with 2 meter and 70 meter band is also there. See, I can show you 2, 3, 0, 0, 0, 0. See, this is 1.25 megahertz band is also there, so you can transmit and listen on this band also. So this is very nice tri-band radio. In fact, when we purchase, this is only 2 band, but then software update I got, and then this is working for 1.25 megahertz. So 1.25 megahertz, 2 meter and 70 centimeter. So this is the information. Of course, FM band is also there for this radio. This radio also having FM band frequency modulation, and I will show you. If you will press this button, see this button, long press, there is a FM band. You will have to type 1, 2, same transmission going on FM also, Pune FM. So this is what the devices I am using. I have got lots of radios also in Pune, but right now I am showing this is the radio set I have got in Pune for use. Okay friends, 73 is good day. Bye bye from Pune. CQs, CQs, CQ, CQ, CQ.